Hi families, I hope you're having a great Thursday. I wanted to show this video so that I could show you how to access our new learning platform that will be starting on Monday. We are going to be using a program called Canvas. You might have seen it in your ClassLink portal. We still have access to Odysseyware, and we can use that platform and that website to enrich and add extra practice. But what I am going to expect from you now is to be working out of Canvas. Through Canvas, I'm going to be adding videos of lessons. I will have workbook pages that your student can work through and practice, activities, and other fun things to do at home. So let me show you how to get there. If you go to the Kingsport City Schools website, you're going to go to Students and ClassLink. You might do this for Odysseyware. Okay, so once we're here, we're going to sign in with our username and password. And we're going to go up here to the little icon or the tile that says Canvas. Now, you might have to put your username and password in, but then once you do, it's the same one as ClassLink. Once you do, it should log you straight onto Canvas. So you'll notice up here, mine might look a little different than yours will, your student view, but mine says dashboard up here. I can't remember if yours will. And I have a lot of things up here, but what I want to show you is I haven't published this page yet because it's not ready, but it will be ready on Monday. You're going to come to the one that says Homeroom 1 RCL Hannah. And when you click on that, you will see my Canvas page. So I'm going to go over here to student view so you'll know what it looks like. Okay, so this is what your student will look at when they come to this page. So I have a little picture of my little classroom. And, oh, there we go. Later on, I'm going to add in links for extra activities like Starfall or Math Playground that you can like click on the rug and it'll take you to Math Playground. That doesn't work right now because we have just a couple of days to get this ready. So later on, I'll let you know when it's ready. But you know how to access that. Math Playground is a fun website. Starfall is a fun website. Epic, all those that you've been doing this week. Here's the most important part. Click all the way down and you'll see a little giraffe over here that says click here for literacy and a lion over here that says click here for math. Your expectations are every day you will be working with one literacy lesson and then one math lesson. So when you click here, okay, it'll take you to this page that says week 1 literacy and you have each day. So all you do is click on the link. So here's Monday, August 24th. Now I've started writing some things down. It looks very similar to what I gave you last week in your schedule for the week at a glance. Each day you'll have activities and things that you'll need to accomplish, and it's kind of like a little check-off sheet. In this, I am going to embed some videos. They're not there yet, but they will be on Monday. So you'll see some videos of my lessons, and then I will reference a workbook page or an activity that you can do with your student. You will be showing me your students' work by, for now, taking pictures and putting them in messages on ClassDojo. You can also, you can also go to ClassDojo and go to the portfolio. I'll show you that in just a moment. So this is what it looks like. So we have the Monday, and then if you want to click back, you can click back. It'll take you back to the literacy, and then back again. So here's math. So we click on the lion. Again, week 1 math. Here's your Monday lesson. Here are your instructions of what to do. Again, there will be videos. It will be a little bit more meaty than this, but I've started some ideas on here. So you will have access to all of these things starting on Monday. So that's how to get to my Canvas page. You're going to be expected to do the activities in there and then send pictures through ClassDojo. So if you'll look right here, I'm going to actually go to ClassDojo. So here's all my little friends. Here you are, your little avatars. This is what it looks like on my end. But we have our class story that you have been seeing a lot of really great things. Here are Google Meets. But then at the top, you'll notice that it says portfolio. I don't know what it looks like on your end, unfortunately. But so on portfolio, oh, there's Naja. We have over here where you can add in pictures and activities. So if I go over here, you can submit a post and I look at that. So you can submit pictures, videos, drawings, text entries, and I look at those, and that's a way that I can keep all of your information in one place. So if I wanted to add something right here, I could add a photo or a file, or I can even text in this. So that's pretty cool. So maybe you can play around with that next week and try to add your schoolwork inside the portfolio option of ClassDojo. All right, I know that was a lot of information, but I hope that this helps you understand a little bit more about what we're going to be moving towards on Monday. And hopefully this will be helping your student just understand the content a little bit more. You know, if you need me, I'm here. You can email me, send me a message on ClassDojo, or call. All right, thank you friends for listening to this video. I'll talk to you later. Bye.